What's up, guys? Welcome back to Southside Boy Style. Another video coming right at you live from, well, my garage. Okay? My garage. It's a cold and miserable day here in April 2024. It's minus 9,663 outside today with wind and misty rain and some snow. It's terrible. It's that April weather we're having here now. So guys, there comes a time in every YouTuber's life when you just got to clean out your computer because it's just so dusty and dirty from all the editing and the fans going, and it's just dirty, guys. Look at it. It's dirty. Look, all plugged up here. Dirt. Okay, I made a song there, guys, but anyway. Hey, that's pretty cool. But anyway, guys, I got to clean it out now. Got to clean it out. So I'm going to let you guys watch me, I guess, if you want to. And we'll do it together separately, okay? Together separately. We will clean out the PC that brings you all of the YouTube content. Everything that Southside Boy Style puts out is all edited on this computer. Inside, guys, there's a lot of stuff, and I'll show you about that after. Half of it I don't even know what it is, okay? All I know is it works. It works pretty good, so I'm going to try to clean it up. Now, the way I see this is, if you get to see this video, it means I did this job properly. But if this video don't come out, it means that I completely messed this thing up. Which could happen. I could mess it up. So I'm going to set you up, guys. And I'm going to start cleaning this thing out. I'm going to use the air blower and probably some engine degreaser. No, I'm lying about the engine degreaser, but I'm not lying about the air, okay? That's one thing I'm not lying about. So let me get you all set up, and we're just going to give her a quick little blowjob. That's what we're going to do. It's what we're going to do. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to, you know what? Before I even do this, I think I'm just going to blow around the outside. So, guys, you probably could say that this is a bit of overkill. You know, I'm using the big bad boy compressor there to blow this off with, but I think it's going to work pretty good. If not, you're just not going to see the video. So let's start off by seeing if we can't get some of this dirt off of this. Oh, I'm going to have to turn that volume down for you guys. So let's take it apart, check it out on the inside, see what it's all about and stuff. So we got the glass off, so we're doing pretty good. So guys, this is the insides of my PC. My graphics card, according to what it says there, is a Republic of Gamers. I don't game, guys. I'm just a YouTuber. I'm an influencer. I make video content for you guys, okay? Okay. This is the graphics cards that's in it. I don't know if you can see that or not. I wonder, am I allowed to take this out? I don't know, guys. I don't know. I have no idea. It can take more graphics cards. I can see that, but I don't know. Am I allowed to take this out? Will anybody, like, shoot me or anything? Yeah, look. So, guys, this is the graphics card that's in it. Rip Jaws! Whatever that means, okay? All I know is they're apparently half decent. From what I'm seeing here, 16 gig in one, so that means the other one is 16 gig. So there's a lot of gig going on here, guys. A lot of gig going on here. So we'll put that back in there if I can. If I can't, well, I'll just buy another one, right? If I can't get it in, I mean, what are you supposed to do? That's not in. Let me put you guys on the stand. On the stand in demand. So I can try to put this back in the right place. Listen, guys, I know nothing about this stuff, okay? Nothing. I'm telling you right now, I don't know anything about this stuff. All I know is I turns on the computer and it works. And life is good. LG and stuff. Regards all the rest of it, guys, I have no idea, okay? No idea. I don't even know what video quality. You know what, guys? I can turn on some illumination here. I'm going to blind you guys. Look at that, blinded. So, here you go. Now you can see it good. It's dirty, guys. I'm telling you right now, it's dirty. So let's blow it all out. Okay. And this might be too bright for you guys anyway. You guys might be blinded. I don't know. I'm just a YouTuber. Bit dusty in here, guys. This seems like it's stiff to me, but hey, what do I know? I don't know much, guys, about none of this. Here you go, guys. It's all clean, all done, all did. All done did. And I'm going to put you inside of my PC. Look, guys, you're in the inner workings of Southside Boy Style's life. Right here. This is the stuff that makes the stuff for the YouTubers and stuff. You see? Looking pretty clean now, I think so. I think, guys, it's looking pretty clean. Let's just check her out. We'll go around. So, guys, when I actually bought this long time ago, they said it was the absolute best you could get at the time. And, you know, it says VR ready. Does that mean very retroactive? I don't know. I think it means virtual reality, which is what we're probably living in under Justin Trudeau's power. Looking pretty clean, guys. I must say, I think I did a good job. But I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give her a wipe down. I'm just going to clean her off on the outside. No, guys, I'm not spraying stuff on it. I'm just going to spray it on a microfiber rag and, you know, do it like that. So, guys, I'm going to spray her down with a little bit of Windix Streak Free, I might add and point out to you. And I'm not going to spray it on the actual computer. Just because I joke around for the camera doesn't mean I'm going to do things silly. I'm just going to spray the rag. Spray the rag, spray the rag. Here we go. Spray the rag. See, guys? I'm just spraying the rag. I'm a rag sprayer. It's my new job now. Maybe if this YouTube thing don't work out, maybe that's what I'll do. I'll become a PC cleaner. I think that's a good idea, guys. What do you think? Just gonna wipe her down. Wipe her down. Make her, smell nice and all that stuff. Because at the end of the day, a clean PC runs faster. That's what I think, anyways. Just gonna spray her down again, guys. Can you see that? I don't know. Spray her down again. Spray her down again. We're gonna wipe her face. Just washing her face. Washing her face. Still looks a little bit dirty inside there, guys, but I can't really get in there to clean that, and I don't want to put a rag inside of this thing that does the things. You know, guys, this is some amazing video content, right? Come on. The stuff I bring to you guys is pretty amazing. I think so. I'd like to wipe that off on the top right here, but I'm afraid I don't want to put a rag inside there. So, just to make her look presentable, maybe he will pick up a chick PC, right? Come on. Guys, I'm thinking that's beautiful. So guys, I'm thinking that's perfect. Look at that. It's all nice and clean and everything in between. Oh, can't wait to fire this bad boy up again and get some more higher RPMs, I guess. Well, anyway, guys, I figured I'd bring you guys out and do a video of me cleaning my PC, okay? I didn't have anything else to give you on this cold. Let's look at the window. Cold and nasty, windy day. Windy, rainy, miserable day. I figured we'd come out in the garage, and just clean up the PC. I've been looking at it for days, and I was saying, oh, I'm sure that's so dirty inside. And I figured, okay, we'll come out and just give her a little blow off and wipe over. And at the end of the day, guys, this is what I do all my stuff on for you guys, all this content that you see, right? So, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. Listen, I always try to bring some funny content to you guys, okay? I always try to joke about everything as I'm doing videos, just to, I don't know, make you guys smile or make you guys giggle at something that I'm at here in the garage, all right? It's the reason why I do it, okay? So thank you very much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And thank you so much for the like that you're about to give me over right here. And it's subscribe that you're about to give me over right here. And I'll see you all on the next one.